Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a summer day in the life, I guess. I woke up and I was feeling really motivated to film a vlog or something today. So that's what I'm going to do. Today's my grandma's birthday, so I'm going to be vlogging everything that we're going to be doing. We're going to be going to lunch and stuff. And yeah, so without further ado, let's get started. So I actually just woke up 30 minutes ago, but I already hopped in the shower and I got changed. So now we still have an hour until we have to leave. So I still have to do my hair, my skincare, brush my teeth, and yeah, so I'm gonna get ready and do some other stuff. And basically you guys are just gonna be spending the day with me. So yeah. Okay guys, so as you can see, I just finished getting ready. My hair is not looking good right now. I'm gonna fix it later, and then I'm probably just gonna end up putting it in a ponytail. It's super wavy because I've had the braids in for 2 days or something. But yeah, the makeup is actually looking really good. And in case if you guys are wondering, which probably not, but for the little foundation, I guess, I'm using this powder foundation from Maybelline, and it's actually really good. I've been using it for a while, and it lasts for a long time, and it's full coverage, and it just looks really nice and flawless. So that is the one that I have, and I have it in the color 112 Natural Ivory. And then for the blush, I don't know how to say it. It's Faux Schwartz or something, but it's one of the blushes, and it doesn't say what color it is, but yeah, and it's a pinkish orange color on me, and it's really pretty. And then for mascara, I was using this one right here, the Clinique High Impact Mascara, and yeah, it's really nice mascara. And yeah, so now I'm just gonna be doing a few things before we leave, and yeah. Okay guys, so while we are waiting, here is my grandma's gift that I got for her, or I didn't get it, but it's a puzzle, and then I made a card. But my Curology stuff came in the other day, and I just opened it, so I thought I might as well just show you guys what I got, because this is my second box besides the first one that I did. And so now I get the full size products, and these are huge compared to the trial, and I thought the trial was pretty big. So here is the cleanser. It is ginormous. It's gonna last me a really long time, especially because I just ran out of the other cleanser that I have. And then this is the moisturizer. It's also pretty big. I think this is the biggest, or almost the biggest. Then we have the body wash. Let's see. These are the same size, but still, they're both pretty big. And then we have the custom formula, which I have to cover the back, but again, this is also pretty big, but I have a lot of this stuff left. And then we have the lip balm that I really like. I love that lip balm. And then we have the pimple patches that it always comes with. I'm gonna put on some of this chapstick or lip balm right now. It's really nice, and it feels super hydrating, and makes my lips super soft. So yeah, again, I'm still waiting to go, but I think we're gonna leave in a little bit because we have to be at my grandma's house. at like 11 because then we're leaving, and then I'm going to Olive Garden at 12. So yeah. Okay guys, so we're about to leave right now, and then we are going to go to my grandma's house, and then she's gonna take us to Olive Garden. So yeah. Okay guys, so it's been a few hours. We've been home this whole time, but I just got changed and we're about to go leave for my grandma's birthday dinner. So let's go. So yeah guys, that is gonna be it for this video. I'm about to go to bed. I hope you all enjoyed this little vlog, and let me know if you guys want to see more. Thank you all so much for watching, and yeah, bye.